In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up customer support on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a modern chat experience live on your storefront and a clear path to manage conversations inside your admin. Start in your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, open the Apps area and choose Add. This takes you into the flow for installing new tools. When prompted, continue to the Shopify App Store. Using the official marketplace keeps everything secure and compatible with your theme and checkout. In the App Store, click into the search bar and type to highlight relevant support tools. Then open the chat category to narrow results to live chat and chatbot apps. To make sure you're choosing something reliable, turn on the Built for Shopify filter. That badge indicates the app meets Shopify's technical and design standards, which helps with speed, stability, and a seamless admin experience. From the filtered results, select Chatty AI Chatbot and Live Chat. On the app page, review the description and screenshots so you understand what you're getting. Real-time chat, automation options, and AI-assisted replies. When you're ready, click Install. You'll see a permissions screen summarizing what the app needs to function. Confirm by clicking Install again to finish the setup. This adds the app to your store and connects it to your admin. Back in your admin, open the app's inbox. Think of this as your central hub for conversations, new messages, ongoing threads, and quick access to customer details all live here. Next, go to Contacts. This view helps you see who's reached out, what they purchased, and how often they engage, so you can personalize support and follow up effectively. Move into FAQs to organize common questions your customers ask, like shipping times or return policies. Having clear FAQs available inside your chat experience deflects repetitive tickets and gives shoppers fast answers. Then open Chatbox to adjust how the widget appears on your storefront, placement, colors, and greeting text, so it matches your brand and is easy to spot without being intrusive. Open AI Assistant to enable automated replies for common inquiries and after-hours coverage. This is where you set tone and coverage so the assistant helps without sounding robotic. Head into proactive chat to choose when the widget should start conversations, such as after a few seconds on a product page or when a cart hits a certain value. Finally, open Chatty to confirm everything's connected and ready for customers. That's it. Your Shopify customer support is now set up with live chat, helpful FAQs, and smart automation to keep customers moving toward a purchase.